Good morning, sir. This is Team 2 presenting a video documentation on node counting piggy bank, that is our engineering exploration course project. So here are the teammates of Team 2: Harshita, Ajashri, Swastik, Dhanush. This course project is under the guidance of Sandeep R. Kurundavade, sir. As per the customer's requirement, this is the problem definition which is defined as shown. That is, there is a need for semi-automatic note counting machine which should be portable, strong and lightweight. It should display the amount digitally and detect the notes. The size of the machine should be around 1.5 cubic feet. The time limit to complete this project is 2 months and the budget is around rupees 3000. Adding to it, the machine should hold the note, detect the note, drop the note, as well as store them. So, as per the need statement, that is the problem definition which we have seen in the previous slide, we were able to design this function tree which has four important units, that is collecting unit, display unit, storing unit, and dispatching unit. Since it should be semi-automatic as per the customer's requirement, in the collecting unit, we have an on and off button. So yeah, in the collecting unit, there is a provision to insert the note once the motor starts rotating and then hold the note and then receive it. In the second one, that is the display unit, we have RGB sensor used in it so to sense the note according to its color as per their frequency and then display the amount and the number of notes on the LCD screen. And the next one is the storing unit. As the name says, storing means to store the note. So we have a storing unit wherein it can store the note. And then the next one is dispatching unit, wherein we can withdraw the money manually and then check the money, check the balance and reset it also. Pocket money, pocket. So to get a particular design or model according to the problem definition, we have identified three subsystems. First one is note inserting unit, second one is detecting unit, and the third one is storing unit. And based on that, we have generated four conceptual designs. As you can see, these are the four conceptual designs as per the customer's requirement. Among these four conceptual designs, after analyzing the merits, demerits of these designs and the functions based on the customer's requirement, we came to a conclusion that the first conceptual design is better according to the need statement with the help of the pug chart. So the next phase is virtual implementation. The 3D model consists of all the three subsystems as we identified before for the designing purpose. To design a 3D model of our project, we started with the base units and then assembled it together. So here are the small units of 3D modeling: LCD screen, RGB sensor, DC motor, Arduino Mega 2560, IR sensor, rollers, bottom lid and upper lid, side wall, back wall, front wall, and after assembly, this is the way it looks. This is a circuit diagram which contains two DC motor, an IR sensor or color sensor, and two relays to control the DC motor, and a LCD display to provide information about the number and total amount processed by the machine. As you can see in the flowchart, the machine starts as the power supply is enabled and simultaneously IR sensor and color sensor also gets activated. IR sensor takes the input as it senses the incoming note and allows the DC motor to start rotating. And hence, due to DC motor, the roller starts rolling, taking the note into it. At the same time, color sensor also detects the color of note and sends the data, that is frequency, to the Arduino. There the data is computed and processed data is displayed on the display screen, and the node slides down the slider and gets stored in the storing unit. Motor sizing and battery sizing. Here we have used two DC motors. The mass of the shaft is 100 gram, radius of the shaft is 0.5 centimeter, coefficient of friction is 0.25, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square, factor of safety is 1.5. So the force calculated is 24.5 Newton and the torque calculated is 27.5 kg per centimeter. As we require two DC motors, we have calculated the approximate RPM of motor and selected this. Functional specifications. Note is inserted in the inserting unit where we have IR sensor. When IR sensor detects anything, the two DC motor starts rotating. Then the note is going to slide between the roller. When sliding, RGB sensor is going to detect the color of the note based on the frequency of the color, the calculation, and according to that the calculation is done. Then the total number of notes in the piggy bank and the total amount is calculated and being displayed on the LCD screen. After this, the note will slide over the slider and gets stored in the storing unit. Here we have the simulation video of it.
In the simulation video, we have the circuit which consists of two DC motors, two IR sensors, LCD screen with potentiometer and resistor, and we also have H drive to connect the DC motors to the Arduino Uno. According to the code, the LCD screen is connected to the digital pins 12, 11, 5, 4, 3 and 2. DC motors are connected to the digital pins 0, 1, 8 and 9 of the Arduino Uno. One IR sensor is connected to the digital pin 7, which has the variable name as button state, which controls the movement of the DC motors. The other IR sensor, which is connected to the analog pin A0, which acts as an RGB sensor, since the Tinkercad doesn't have an RGB sensor. As it's virtual, we have to give the frequency as input. Red light frequency, which varies from 400 to 484, refers to the 20 rupees note. Blue light frequency, which varies from 606 to 668, refers to the 50 rupees note. And the green light frequency, which varies from 526 to 605, refers to the 500 rupees note. If the button state value is given as 1, then the DC motor 1, which is connected to the digital pins 0 and 1, starts rotating in clockwise direction, and the DC motor 2, which is connected to the digital pin 8 and 9, starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction. When the frequency input is given, the amount and the number of notes are calculated by traversing through the conditional statements and are displayed on the LCD screen.
Thank you.